Assalamualaikum class. Hope you all are fine and doing well. Let's start our today's topic, which is reactivity of elements. Before that, refresh your minds by some questions which are: what is electropositive character? How electropositive character is related to the ionization energy? Either it is directly proportional to the ionization energy or inversely proportional to the ionization energy. How electropositive character changes in periods? Either it increases or it decreases. How electropositive character changes in groups, moving from top to bottom. Can you discuss reactivity of elements on the basis of electropositive character? Which element will be more reactive, with high electropositive character or with low electropositive character? Take a pause for 5 minutes and answer these questions to refresh your previous knowledge. Now coming towards our main topic about the reactivity of metals, the first question is: how can you describe reactivity of metals using the concept of electropositivity? You have to relate the electropositive character of metals with the reactivity of metals. First of all, describing the basic concept, we can say that the trends in electropositivity are reflected in the chemical reactivity of metals as chemical reactivity directly proportional to electropositivity, which means if electropositive character of element increases, it means that element is more reactive as compared to the other element whose electropositive character is less. So as the electropositive character increases, chemical reactivity of element also increases, because it becomes easier for the element to lose its electron and convert into positive ion. Discussing the trend of reactivity in the group. When we are talking about the group, reactivity of metals with oxygen increases as we move top to bottom. Why this happens? Because atomic size increases as we move from top to bottom. As atomic size increases, the distance between the nucleus and outermost electron increases. Due to that increased distance, the force of attraction between the nucleus and outermost electron decreases. As the force of electron and nucleus decreases, it means that it is very easy for the element to remove its outermost electron. Thus, element at the bottom is more electropositive. If element is more electropositive, it can lose its electron very easily. It means that element is more reactive. So, the reactivity of metals in the group increases as we move to the bottom. For example, alkali metals, as alkali metals are shown here. These alkali metals: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. They show an increase in affinity for oxygen as we move down the group. It means their reactivity increases with oxygen as we move from lithium to cesium. Lithium forms normal oxide when it reacts with oxygen. Here is the chemical equation for the reaction. Sodium forms peroxide when it reacts with the oxygen. Chemical equation is given here. Potassium, rubidium and cesium forms superoxide when they react with the oxygen, as it is shown in the chemical reaction below. From these products, lithium forming normal oxide, sodium forming peroxide, and remaining alkali metals forming superoxides, we can observe that their reactivity is increasing. By observing the ratio of metal and the oxygen in the product, the amount of oxygen is increasing. It means the metal is reacting more and more with the oxygen as we are moving down the group. So these reactions prove that the reactivity of metals increases as we move down the group. And these metals, when burned in oxygen, show different flame colors as it is shown here in the diagram. Discussing the trends of reactivity in the periods. In periods, as we move from left to right, reactivity of metals with the oxygen decreases. These are the elements present in the third period of the periodic table. As we move from sodium to silicon, the reactivity of atoms decreases. Why this happens? The atomic size decreases as we move from left to right in a period. As the atomic size decreases due to increase in nuclear charge, the force of attraction between the nucleus and outermost electron increases. So it becomes difficult for the smaller atoms to remove their outermost electrons. As removal of outermost electron is difficult, it means the electropositive character is decreasing. As the electropositive character decreases, it means that reactivity of that element also decreases. So all these observations tell us that as we move from left to right in a period, reactivity of elements decreases. For example, in the third period, as we move from sodium to magnesium to aluminium, first of all, sodium reacts with oxygen readily. Readily means suddenly. It means that as the sodium comes in contact with the oxygen, it suddenly forms sodium peroxide. Moving towards the next element, that is the magnesium. Magnesium reacts with the oxygen only on ignition. It means we have to provide a starting energy for the reaction to occur. And after that, magnesium will react with oxygen and will give us oxide. Talking about the aluminium. Aluminium reacts with oxygen completely on heating. We have to heat the reactants that are aluminium and oxygen in order to carry out the chemical reaction. So these changes are showing us that the reactivity of these elements is changing as we are moving from left to right. As we are moving from left to right, the reactivity of element is changing. Talking about the aluminium, when aluminium is placed at room temperature, it forms a protective oxide layer. This oxide layer stops further reaction. Let's go for a quick recap of our today's lecture. First of all, we discussed about the chemical reactivity and electropositivity, that how they are related. Chemical reactivity is directly proportional to the electropositivity. When moving in a group from top to bottom, the reactivity of metals with the oxygen increases. This can be seen from the formation of oxides of alkali metals. Lithium forms normal oxides, sodium forms peroxide, potassium, rubidium and cesium form superoxide. While moving in a period from left to right, reactivity of metals with the oxygen decreases. This can be seen by the reaction of elements in the third period. Sodium reacts with oxygen readily, means suddenly, as it comes in contact with the oxygen. Magnesium reacts with the oxygen on ignition. We have to give energy. Aluminium completely reacts with oxygen on heating. This is all for today. Thank you so much.